Are you looking for the best Hostinger coupon code to get the lowest price on hosting? Then this is something you shouldn't miss. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 83% off on their hosting plans, which is already a huge discount for anyone starting a website. But here's the best part. When you use my referral link from the description, you can get an extra 20% off on top of that 83% discount. That means you're getting one of the cheapest deals possible on premium hosting. And there's even more value included. You'll also get extra free months added to your plan, so you're paying less but getting more usage time. Now, if you're unsure about trying it, don't worry. Hostinger comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test everything completely risk-free and get a full refund if needed. So if you're ready to start your website, blog, or online business, this is the perfect time to take action. Just click the link in the description, apply the discount, and grab your Hostinger deal before it's gone.